Good afternoon, this is Michael with Terry Henricks. I'm out here with our 1983 Z28 Camaro, giving you a good idea as to what to expect for condition and options. Been freshly detailed a couple days ago. This vehicle drove all the way from Iowa. Gentleman bought a certified pre-owned Scat Pack Dodge Challenger from us. Traded this in. It's definitely a blast from the past. Let me give you an idea as to what to expect here. We got a little bit of that traditional sun discoloration on the bumper. One of the major issues here we're looking at, just a little scratch right here. Nothing major. Tires got good tread depth on them. Classic radials. Got her parked out on the front grass, so bear with me with some of the background noise and some of the original stickers and stuff like that. We're looking at that normal cracking, a little bit of bump on there. She ain't perfect, definitely great condition for the year. A little bit of a touch-up spot here as well. Take a look on the inside. From what I've heard and understood, everything's all original. I need to confirm that. There's no smoke odors, any stale odors or anything like that on the inside. Looking at 60,717 on the odometer, all original miles. Give it a start up here for you. Sounds good. Got an aftermarket radio. Let's see what the air conditioner's like. The T-tops are looking good. I'll show you what that's like on the top of the vehicle here. Got your normal sun damage there. Everything's looking good. No cracks or anything like that. Along the back windshield as well. Show you the inside of the hood here, underneath the hood. Oops, I think I got it here. Bear with me if this is a longer video here. Just want to give you a really good impression as to what to expect. Oop, there we go. Hopefully this is a good representation here for you. Oop, man, not hard now. Perfect. Thanks for checking this one out. Get back to me as soon as you can. 419-495-5882. Let me know if you have any additional questions. If you are working with one of our other sales guys, 419-445-2576. Thanks very much.